Hey folks, it's Quentin at the Ballot Initiative Strategy Center. It's that time of year again. Road Ahead is upon us. Our annual conference of ballot measure practitioners and freedom fighters are meeting in Cleveland, Ohio this year. This year's theme, From Fascism to Freedom, will be an important and urgent convening of everyone who is looking to use ballot measures to transform our communities and fight for the democracy that we deserve. I'm so excited for the sessions and the education and the content that we are curating for our community of ballot measure practitioners this year. And I can't wait to see you there. You still got time to get the early bird special. So make sure that you go to our website, ballot.org, in order to find out more about how to attend Road Ahead 2026. Can't wait to see you there.